Hi, I'm Ebony, and today I'm going to be talking about assigning materials in Enscape. Okay, so I have my Rhino file up and ready, and what I'm going to try and do is create this topography with the Enscape vegetation. This is a park near my house, and it's near the beach. It has really dense shrubs around here, and up around here, you can't see it in the pictures, on this side there's really dense trees. So I've got my file ready. I've separated each of the different parts of the landscape. So if I get Enscape open now, you can see now it just looks like a white, not really anything special. So first I'm gonna assign some materials. Enscape open material editor. Here we go. So we need some grass first. I'm just going to pick any grass, it doesn't really matter. For Enscape water as well, we just need to pick a random colour. So I normally choose a plastic, because Enscape doesn't have its own set out water. What else do we need? Maybe some sort of sand. Okay, let's do this soil, and I'm also going to do sand. The plastic, we need to change the type to water. Grass is already set up. Sand is under generic. I find sometimes the mapping's a little bit off, so I just go in and change that, but definitely can just go back and change that later. Go into here, 0.1, 0.1. Water, what colour? We'll make it a nice, not really realistic, but maybe something like that. Grass, I'll change it to 2.5, that's half it. Okay, now that's all ready to go. I'm just gonna create some new layers. Not there. Let's just rename these ones. So we've got water. Let's just do S for sand. T for dirt. The naming of this doesn't really matter. I think in bigger projects you'd take more care. Just has to really be anything for now. Okay. What is that? We'll put that under the soil. Oh, that actually needs to be under dirt. The sand, and then that would be the water. And then I can assign some materials now that I have them all loaded in. Cool. Oops. Grass, soil, sand, plastic. Yep, great. So if I open Enscape back up, oh, see, the map is not exactly right, but we can change that. I think the grass is looking okay. So, and what's the water looking like? Yeah, the water's fine. So we'll just change the sand. To 0.001. Displacement should be cool. The soil needed to come down as well. Oh. It's not very nice. Pump it lower, that looks okay. That needs to change. I think that's just a really ugly material. That's the same that I have. Let's just maybe fade it down a bit. Maybe change that. Still not exactly right. Okay, that looks a bit better. Obviously from a distance, not too great, but you would take your renderings a little bit different and play around with it more. We're not really going to see it from over here where our building would be.